Now, all this physics is imperative to understand directly where to cast a shadow below an object when the sun is reflecting on it. So this is why I find art intriguing, because art has expanded my mind exponentially. Right, in many different ways, all different ways, you know. Or you have supernatural ways as well. You know, you draw stuff and you see it manifests in reality in real time. That's some supernatural stuff. No one talks about that stuff. Or you create an object and then you just a touch of light and it comes to life, or a touch of darkness and it just takes form, or you just put a little red into a green pepper, and it becomes rich and filled with life. This is what art does. This is art. You paint in a pepper, and it's fascinating because you put a little darkness and it just takes a form. It just takes formation, and it happens instantaneously.